Unboxing Ford Explorer rear sway bar link. Rear sway bar links. Tools required to replace the Ford Explorer rear sway bar link. 14 mm deep socket, 17 mm deep socket, 19 mm deep socket, large electric impact wrench, large extendable ratchet wrench, large torque wrench. Use a 19 mm deep socket with extendable ratchet wrench to loosen wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19 mm deep socket with electric impact wrench to remove wheel hub bolts. Remove wheel hub. Use a 17 mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the mounting bolt for the rear sway bar link. Remove the nut. Remove the rear sway bar link. Comparison between new and old rear sway bar link. Before installing the new rear sway bar link, we need to transfer the protective cover from the old link to the new one. Remove the protective cover. Remove the mounting nut. Install the protective cover in the original position. Install the new rear sway bar link. Install the mounting nut. Tighten the rear link mounting nut using a 14 mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Using the same 14 mm deep socket with a torque wrench, torque the rear link mounting nut to 55 Nm or 41 foot-pounds. Install the wheel hub. Install the wheel hub nuts. Use a 19 mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the wheel hub nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19 mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Torque the wheel hub nuts to 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds.